Water backing up into your kitchen sink every time you flush the toilet is a total nightmare and usually means your plumbing's seriously clogged or there's a venting problem. So, here's the deal. First, don't just keep flushing hoping it'll fix itself because that can make things worse. Try using a plunger on the kitchen sink to see if you can push the blockage through. If that doesn't work, grab a drain snake or a plumber's auger and carefully feed it down the kitchen sink drain to break up the clog. Avoid pouring harsh chemicals down your drains since those can mess up your pipes over time. Also, check if the vent pipe on your roof is blocked by leaves or debris because that vent helps airflow and stops backups. Another tip is to inspect the P-trap under your kitchen sink. Sometimes food scraps or grease build up there causing slow drainage. If you notice slow drains in other parts of your house too, it might be a main sewer line issue, so think about calling a pro before things get worse. Lastly, keep grease, coffee grounds, and large food bits out of your kitchen sink to prevent future backups. One of the biggest mistakes people make when water backs up into the kitchen sink during toilet flushes is ignoring early warning signs like slow draining or gurgling noises, which often signal a clog forming in the main sewer line. Fix this by catching clogs early with regular drain maintenance. Another common issue is using chemical drain cleaners that promise quick fixes but actually damage pipes and make blockages worse over time. Switch to mechanical methods like plungers or drain snakes instead. The third problem is neglecting the plumbing vent system. If vents get clogged, air pressure drops and water backs up where it shouldn't. Make sure your roof vents are clear or have a plumber inspect them yearly. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find reliable local contractors who know exactly how to fix stuff like this without breaking the bank. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for more work, it connects you with folks who actually need your skills, making it easier to grow your business.